Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a breakfast dish. It's some peanut porridge, really easy to make, really delicious. Here are the main ingredients. There's peanuts, of course it's raw peanuts. I've used toasted before, but this time I'm using the raw one. There's nutmeg, oats, cinnamon sticks, salt, brown sugar, and flour. The other ingredients are listed below, of course. So first we're going to start off by blending some of these ingredients. I'm just using my baby blender here. We're just trying to achieve a smooth texture. So use your raw peanut, the oats, and the flour. Gonna add all of that in there. Add the nutmeg as well, and now you're going to be adding the water. So what we're doing here is just blending a little at a time and then checking the consistency. Right here I just think it needed to blend out a little bit more. Some people don't mind this texture, but I wanted to blend out a little bit more, so I did, and here it is. You can even blend it more. I'm comfortable with this texture, so I'm just gonna go ahead now, and in my pot here I have water, salt, and a cinnamon stick. That blended mixture, I'm just gonna whisk it in, and the reason I'm using the whisk is just to prevent lumps. If you're comfortable with a wooden spoon, that is fine. Just keep stirring just to avoid the lumping. And of course it's going to look a little thin until all those starches start to cook. Then it starts to get thicker. You want to cover the pot and let the porridge cook over low to medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes, but definitely check in between and keep stirring because you want to prevent those lumps, right? Here I'm adding the vanilla, and I'm going to add some milk. This is cow's milk, but you can use whatever milk you like. Sometimes I add a little coconut milk as well. So after adding this, let it cook for, I'd say, 4 to 5 minutes again, and keep checking on your consistency. Add a little water or a little milk if you think it's needed. Feel free to adjust according to what you'd like. I'm adding some fresh ground cinnamon here at the end, just because I like the aroma of the freshly added cinnamon. And I sweetened with condensed milk and brown sugar off camera. I'm just checking my consistency here, and I'm happy with it, so it is time to eat. Very simple, guys, really easy to make. Anybody can help you with this, and you can also customize this really easy, because you can use coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, or cow's milk. And as for the peanuts, sometimes I do half and half raw, half roasted, with or without the skin. Feel free to adjust accordingly, guys. So here we have it. Really simple peanut porridge. So good for the family. Easy to make. Really delicious. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know how you like it when you try.